Going to start off is with the Innisfree green tea mist. As this is winter, it is just going to make sure that our skin stay hydrated before the makeup is all done. So I will just spritz it on all over my face and let it air dry. So now I'm going to take my PAC Studio Finish Primer, and this is a silicone based primer. I will just take the primer in between my fingers, warm it up softly, and then apply it on all over my face in soft feathering motion. This will just ensure that my pores are all filled up and I have a smooth base to start off my makeup. And plus my makeup will also last longer while using this primer. For my foundation today, I'll be using the Loreal Infallible foundation in shade Amber, and this is a really long lasting high coverage foundation. I will just apply the foundation on all over my face and buff it while using my beauty blender by PAC. Concealer, and for concealer I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade medium, and I will apply it under my eye, on the bridge of my nose, on the jawline, a bit here and there wherever I require conceal, and slightly highlighting. Then for contour, I will use this PAC Take Cover Concealer in shade D33, and I will apply it on the hollows of my cheek, on both sides of my nose, on my forehead, the usual places we contour, guys, and then I'm just going to buff it while using my beauty blender again. Once my base is all done, I'm just going to move on to this MASCARA translucent powder in shade TL4, and I will just apply the powder in thick coat under my eyes, a bit on my jawline, and I will just keep the powder there for baking. In the meantime, the baking process is done. I'm just going to move on to my brows, because brows are a very important part of your face. It just defines your face so well. So meantime, the baking is also complete, so I'm just going to move on to my big fluffy powder brush and remove all the excess powder, and then move on to the eye makeup. So for eye makeup today, I'm going to use this Colorpop Yes Please palette, and this is such a beautiful versatile palette, perfect for wedding season, festive, because it has such beautiful area of colors. So I'm going to take the beautiful coral color from this palette, and I will apply the color on the outer V region of the eye and take it inward in soft swiping motion as well as circular motion. I will build up the pigmentation slowly, layer by layer. Today's eye makeup look is not something very overpowering, neither something extremely light. It is a very balanced out look. I'm just going to move on to this very deep brown color from the palette. It sort of has a slight plumish tone, it seems like on the picture, but mostly it's a very deep dark brown. So I'm just applying the color just below that coral color on the outer V area. Once I'm happy with the intensity of the outer V area, I'm just going to move on to my next shade, which will be this beautiful copper color from the Morphe 35R palette, and I will just place the color at the center of the lid, as you can see below the crease line, and I will slowly feather out the color so that there is a beautiful transition from the brown to the copper. I'm trying to create a very mono color tone on my eyes. All that blending out, I will move on to the next step. So the next color is going to be this beautiful gold color from the same Colorpop palette, and I will just place the color from the front corner of the eye up until the copper shade, and I will just lighten that gold shade, tone it down a bit, because I do not want a vibrant gold. I mostly want my eye to be in the coppery and bronzish side. Once done, I will take the same copper color from the Morphe 35R palette, and I will place it in the same area so that whatever color has faded out due to the gold is built up. It's the most important part of the eye makeup, which is this glitter. So I'm going to use the Stackable glitters by Faces, and I will use a very beautiful gold glitter, and instead of placing the glitter in the usual places like the center of the lid or the front corner of the lid, I'm going to place it on the outer V area today. And this is a new technique which I've learned lately, and I think it just gives such a beautiful elegant look to your eyes. Now once I'm done, I'm just going to take my Stay Quirky Liquid Matte Liner, and I will draw a very thin wing liner on my eyes, and I will take my own time to do it because I really do not want to mess up the eye makeup, and eyeliner is very crucial. So once my eyeliner is done, I'm going to move on to the lower eyelid area. So for lower eyelid, I'm going to take this beautiful brown color again, and I will just apply the color on the outer section of the lower eyelid, as you can see, halfway. After that, I will take the same copper color from the 35R palette and I will apply it all over the front section and just join it with the brown color for a smooth transition. I'm just going to take my PAC Big Eyes mascara and I will just apply the mascara on my lower lashes as well as my upper lashes, and I will also pop in a falsies. Now moving on to the face, first I'm going to use the Studio West blusher in the shade Bronze. It's a very beautiful bronzy color, perfectly go with the eye look, and I will just place the color on the apple of my cheek and softly blend it out. Now since in Saraswati Puja I mostly go out during the daytime, so I chose to use this Nykaa Glow Getter highlighter. It is such a beautiful glowing highlighter. It is not extremely overpowering. It lights your skin sort of like within, which is very pretty. You can see it yourself. So once the highlight is done, I'm going to move on to my lip now. So for my lip, first I chose this Arezia Matte liquid lipstick in shade Maroon Mature. So apply the lipstick first on my lips, and then I realized that the color is too deep, so I need to tone it down so that it goes better with the eye makeup. So once I applied this liquid lipstick, I decided to move on to the lip crayon Jade Rose by Nykaa Mattelicious, and I will just apply this lip color on all over the Maroon Mature shade, and you can see the difference in color right now. It gives such a beautiful deep berry tone color, which is so beautiful. I absolutely love such plumish berry color, which is very feminine, perfect to go with the eye makeup I created. And yes, I am pretty much done. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the tutorial. As you guys requested me to create a very subtle and also glam look, I sort of came out with this look, which is very wearable both in day and night. And wearable, you can always play with the lipstick color of your choice depending on the outfit you wear. It is going to look gorgeous in every way possible. If you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel. Yes, and I will see you guys soon. Until next time, take care. Bye.